Here we come to the elevator at a random parking garage in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. It's a Dover with vandal-resistant impulse fixtures. This is bottom drive. Wow, this is a nice glass elevator, and it wants to shut fast. It really wants to shut. 7. Here we go. It doesn't even stay long. Door doesn't stay open for that long, but anyways. This is a nice elevator for a parking garage. This was installed in 2000, so that is a ThyssenDover. This is the city center parking garage. These are your fixtures. All right, let's go back down to 1. I'm gonna look out this way going up. These buttons stick. Let's go back down to 1 and there. These are quite fast too. Dude, let's see if we can look up the shaft. You can barely see up a little bit, and the elevator just wants to close. All right. There it goes. And that's it.